Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you would like to join the fam, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications when I post. Today I decided to do a clean with me living areas video. So to start off, I'm just going to show you the starting condition of my house, which is not horrible, but definitely needs some love. So the first room was the mud room, and then the kitchen and the dining area. And if you notice that we don't have a door on that buffet, the window got broken, so we are trying to find somebody to fix it. And then here is the living room.
Go ahead.
And we have a special appearance from my firstborn cat, Max. And to start off my cleaning, I like to light all of the candles that I have in my room. I just pulled out this pumpkin and clementine candle that I got from TJ Maxx. Also, very vital, my coffee. And of course, what's a day without cleaning when you don't have any jams to listen to? I am currently still obsessed with the Happiness Begins album from the Jonas Brothers. To get started cleaning any room, I start by picking up anything on the floor or on the tables and put them away and organize them. To start off, I am picking up the shoes and then putting my fiance's tools on this tote because they will be taken downstairs with the rest of this junk sitting in the corner. This is our old CenturyLink modem that needs to be returned, so I'm just putting this on the countertop, and then I am taking these bags outside to throw away in our big garbage. Next, I'm just throwing this dirty towel down the stairs to be put into the laundry, and then I'm going to grab some Lysol wipes and wipe down all of the surfaces in the room. The windowsill and the bench collect a lot of cat hair because that is our boys' favorite place to sit and relax. I like to start cleaning pretty much top to bottom, so then I can just wipe off any dirt, hair, and dust onto the floor, so then when I go into sweep and Swiffer, it gets all collected. Now I'm just going to quickly vacuum this rug. Again, another place that our boys like to lay, so it definitely gets coated with hair really easily, and then it's the first rug that we walk on as we come in from outside, so it collects a lot of dirt as well. And then for extra measures, I just like to take the rug outside and give it a good shake. About once a month, I will throw it in the washer and clean it that way as well. And now I'm just moving any of the rest of the items out of the mudroom so I can go ahead and sweep and Swiffer. When cleaning my house, I pretty much like to take it one room at a time, so I will just wipe everything down, sweep, Swiffer, and then move on to the next room and continue that process. Now that I'm completely done with the mudroom, I'm just going to start moving everything back in, so I'll start with the welcome sign. And then oh so carefully, I will work on getting the water bowl in there, and seriously, look at my freaking cat bird. And then we just store our everyday shoes under the bench. And now I'm going to start taking down all of this storage to our little storage area that we have downstairs in the basement. And again, just cleaning off all the surfaces and putting things away. And then taking my handy dandy Lysol wipes and wiping everything down. Now this is the worst part, sweeping up all of the cat hair, dirt, and dust collected over the week. I try to sweep our house weekly, if not more, because I don't know who thought it was a good idea to have 3 cats and a dog, but it sure wasn't mine. Okay, but for real though, anybody with original hardwood floors have a self-cleaning vacuum like a Roomba? I've only seen a few bad reviews of it leaving scratches on the floor, and that's the only thing that's been holding me back. So if you have a Roomba and you love it, please leave your comment down below on if you recommend it or not.
It's a difference.
Oh, gummy bears!
Get them here! Só inteiro, tudo
So now I'm just taking some Pledge and dusting all of the original built-ins. When I work on the floors in the dining room, I like to move all of the dining chairs into one corner and get that swept and Swiffered, and then I'll move them back and sweep and Swiffer where they were located. Again, I'm just dusting all of the original wood built-ins and the fireplace mantle with Pledge dusting spray. And just like I did in the mudroom, I'm going to start off by vacuuming the rug. And I did this off camera, but I just pretty much ended by putting everything back and fluffing all of the pillows up. And that completes the Clean With Me video for just my living area. So here is a quick overview of how everything looks. And don't worry, I will be doing an in-depth home tour and where I got my home decor and whatnot, but you did get to see a little sneak peek of what my little house looks like. And the next video that I will be doing is decorating for fall, so you get to see more of my house then, and I will let you guys know where I get all of that decor. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thank you guys, I hope you have a good day. See you in the next one.